Okay, hi everyone. What we're just doing now is creating, just setting up your Maya file for printing off your animation. All right. Now, first thing we want to do, if we have a look, okay, I better bring up Window Outliner. All right. Look, I've got, say, these 4 cameras: perspective, top, front, and side. All right. Now you can see down here, okay, that's the camera that I'm looking at. All right, my perspective camera. All right, that's all very fine, but we don't want to print with that. We want to create our own camera. So what we're going to do is create. I can't do it. Create the cameras, and I'll just add a camera. All right, there's our camera. Now, next thing we want to do is we're still looking through our perspective down here. We want to look through our camera. So let's go. Panels, I'll just zoom up close. Panels and look through selected. All right, let's try to zoom it down. All right, there we go. So now you can see that my camera has changed from perspective to camera 1, and I'm just going to zoom that out. All right, so I'll just choose a little bit of the size. All right, you can also see in my outliner that that's the camera that I'm working in. All right, here we go. There we go. All right. Okay, now I should have probably just put a little bit of an animation in here. Look, I might just go back to my perspective. Panels, look through perspective. All right, and look, I might just... Oh, I already do have one. Good. All right. Now, actually, before I do this, I should set this up. I'll go down here. And where is it? All right, let's drag it over. All right, here it is down here. It's this down here. It's my animation preferences. I click on here. And what I'll be wanting to do is I just need to just go up, and where is it? Says animation. All right, there it is. I'm on animation. No, it's not animation. I forgot what it is. Settings. Sorry, it's done under settings here. And I just need to change my time. Okay, I'm not using film. Look, we'll just use PAL 25 FPS. All right. Again, but if you're working in After Effects, make sure that you're either working in 25 or 30 frames per second. Talk to your video teacher about that. Okay, so just for now, I'm just going to use PAL and timeline. That should all be okay. All right, maybe I could add a few more, make this a little bit longer, but I won't. All right, save. There we go. So just change it a little bit. All right, so there's our animation. We want to save it. Let's go back to our camera. I select on my camera, panels, look through selected. Might just zoom out a bit. Make sure I'm in actually the first frame. All right, now, I actually can't really see what's going to be animated. What I need to do is I just want to get my my little resolution gate being shown. So I've got to go over to here and view camera settings, and resolution gate. Alright, there we go, that's how it looks. Click on that. Alright, and there it is. That's showing me how it's all set up. Now, I'm 640 by 480. It's okay if that's what we want. I'm just going to change this size, just set it up to the way I want it to be set. So I need to go to my render settings, which is up here. Alright. Sorry, I'll just drag that down. Alright, this button here. Alright, click on that. And now I've got my render settings. Alright, here it is. First of all, I'm in my common. Render using my software, that's okay for now. Alright, let's have a look. Go down here. Alright, now first of all, we want this for multi-frame. Alright, I don't want a my if. Look, okay, for now, just going to set it up for a QuickTime movie. Alright, now this is only good for quick little movies. The best way is to do it through After Effects, but just for now we'll use a QuickTime movie in Maya. Alright, now you can see that we've got a multi-frame name. That's pretty important. Let's go down. Start frame, don't know why it starts there. Let's start 1. End frame, let's make it 24, okay. Depends on your movie. Now, this is one a lot of people forget. Your renderable camera. Alright, just for now, I'm going to click and make sure that this is camera 1. Alright, there we go. Okay, I'm just going to turn that off for now. That's just alpha mask if you want it to be transparent. Alright, now, here we go. Next section. Alright, image size. Alright, width. Now, widescreen, let's say 1024 by 576. Okay, that's alright. I'm just going to use the sizes for my web page. I'll just zoom up there for a moment. Alright, 1024, 576. That's a little bit big for now. What I might do is just 400 by 200. Okay, depending on how big you want it to be. Alright, tab 400, 200. Something's wrong there. 400 by 220, 222. Yep. Something's still not quite right there. Alright, pixel aspect ratio, as long as that's 1, that's fine. Alright, and I think that's all that needs to be done. Yep. Alright, worry about the my software later. Okay, at the moment it's all very low quality. And close. Okay, so there we go. I've got a widescreen format that's going to be big enough for my website. Alright, and there's my lovely animation. I might just try and change the look of it because maybe that's alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Now I'm ready to render it. So now I need to go up, go from animation down to rendering. Okay, there it is. And next we go render, batch render. Okay, and we click on the batch render options. Alright, there we go. These are the no process. Okay, that's fine. Now we just hit the batch render and close. Alright, and looks like down here something's happening. Okay, let's click on it, see what that does. Nothing. Alright, should tell us when it's finished. Oh, there it is. It's showing what's happening. Okay, good, it's completed. Now we can just go in. I'll close that. Close that. Oops, close out of that. Close out of that. Now here's my folder that I made, my project folder. Should be saved in images. Yep, there it is. Alright, so in your project, look under images. Here it is, Untitled Movie. Alright, you can see when I did it. Okay. And let's double click. And voila, there's our movie. Alright, window, view, loop. Alright, there we go, I'll zoom up. And there we go. There we go. Alright, that's setting it up. Now I'll go into a bit more detail when we need to export it into After Effects. Okay, there we go.